So, hey, what's up, Maxima crew? It's Alton Cooper. Just wanted to share with you all as I try to figure out if this big brake upgrade is going to work for me. I got the 2010 Maxima, the blue 2010 Maxima Sapphire. And as you can see, big shout out to T. Devane. Hey, appreciate it, man. You shared the information as far as what you found out about how to get a big brake upgrade for a lot less money. So I tried it out. So far, so good. I got everything in. I'm just waiting on one more front caliper. I went through the local AutoZone in my area. They had the rears. As a matter of fact, hold this 1 second. Let me go grab the rears. I'll show you how they came. Hold on. So they had to check the system. They had to look for the rears and found out that they had the rears, but they were only able to get one of the fronts. This is actually the driver's side front caliper. And so got my guy David over at AutoZone, my local AutoZone, looking for the passenger side now. He said that I guess he has a connect with the manufacturer, and that if he can't find one, he already talked to him and they said that they can basically make one, so rebuild one, and in about 7 to 10 days and have it to me. So either way, within the next couple weeks, I won't have this stuff ready for Import Alliance, but oh well. Next couple weeks, I should have everything in, and then everything goes out to powder coat. In the meantime, I'm gonna show you all how it came. So check it out. These are the rears that came. The front one it looks like it's painted. I mean, not looks like, it is painted. Looks like it's the factory paint, you know, just the basic silver that you might find. Looks good. No blemishes or anything. Right there says it's got stamped Akebono or Akebono, however you say it. So we're good. I'm hoping the next one that comes in is very similar. As far as the rears though, this is what the rears look like. So it is still authentic Akebono, but you can tell that it's the rough finish. It hasn't been painted. Yeah, when you take a look inside, everything is there. It's all greased up, so it's, you know, definitely been put back together. Now, you might not be able to see this on the camera, but I noticed that there's kind of some dings and stuff like this. Looks like at probably one point in time in the life cycle of this brake, this caliper, you know, it might have taken some nicks or something from a screwdriver or whatever, because these are rebuilt and they are, you know, remanufactured, however you want to put it. But you can see that everything has been put back well. It's got an inspection tag on it. So yeah, I mean, it's an authentic caliper. So that's one. And then it comes with the clips and the pins. And then the other one, this is for the other side. So this one, when I look at it, I mean, they're both functional. This one seems to be in a little bit better condition than the other one. But my guy right while I was there, he went ahead and put in an order for another one of these. And so when it comes in, I'll take a look at it. If it's in better condition than this one is, and this is not in bad condition, by the way, I'm just picky. But if the other one is in better condition than this one is, I'll swap them out. Because what I plan to do is once I get them looking like I want, then I'm going to take them to the powder coater and have them powder coated the way I want anyway. And I posted up a picture. I found a powder coater called, what did they call it? Custom Coaters, ATL. I really like the way their stuff looks. They do a lot of custom items. So I'm probably going to go with them. I even saw, as a matter of fact, I saw posted on their Instagram a set of Akebono calipers that they had already done. I posted it over on the Southeast Maxima group page so you can see that. But anyway, I'm going to have that done, but I think I'm going to have a little something special because they will do custom stenciling on the calipers. So it might cost a little more, but to me, it's worth it to get exactly what I want. So anyway, now what I'm getting ready to do is figure out, will these suckers even fit? And I'll pull my wheel up here in a second and show you what my wheel looks like. this is my wheel. I happen to be fortunate in that I actually have 2 sets of my fronts. It just worked out that way where I had a problem when they first did an installation and they scratched one of them. And the way I am is you're going to give it back to me the way I gave it to you. So you break it, you buy it. And so when they scratched it when they did the installation, I was like, I don't want that no more. You got to get me another one. So the guys at Discount Tire, real good guys over there, they took care of me. And they just went ahead and gave me this one. That actually happened twice. So I actually have 2 extra front wheels for my Max. So if something ever happened, potholes are ridiculous around here. I got another set that I can send out to powder coat and get redone. Anyway, so this is the wheel, but here's the problem. See that reverse lip in there? That's what I'm scared of. So even though these are 20s, I don't know what this actual dimension is. So I'm not sure if these will fit. So my thought is, well, let's just grab the rotor. We'll set the rotor in there and then kind of center it up a little bit and see if it all fits. These are the cross-drilled slotted rotors for my Kibono. I bought these from Z1 Motorsports, $422 for all 4 rotors. So I got the fronts and the rears. And even though these are painted black, I want them powder coated. So I'm gonna, when I send the rotor with the calipers out to get powder coated, I'm gonna send the rotors out too. So right away I can tell won't be a problem as far as the rotors fitting into space. They're actually not quite as big as I thought they were. But I gotta tell you, I'm scared, man, because there's not, as you all can see, there's not a lot of room left. And I don't know if this is gonna fit. Man, I don't know if this is gonna fit. I don't know. Dang, this might not, okay, wait. Be smart. Don't do nothing stupid. Because I don't wanna jack up my wheel, because if I break it, I buy it. All right, here's the test. Let me do it so you all can see it. Okay, so all of my holes are lined up. Well, actually, I have spacers. I got, on my car right now, it has 10 millimeter spacers. So now, hold on. Let me throw this spacer in here just to see. So now this spacer that I'm about to put on here is it's just a 5 millimeter spacer. It's not as thick as, well, you know what? Hold on. If I lift that off a little bit. Okay, I think I'm gonna be all right. So what I did was, I have a few sets of spacers. Anyway, I took one set of spacers that I have. This is a 15 millimeter. And so I just took this, actually let me back up a little bit. So right now I'm using, there's a 15 millimeter spacer that I have sitting in here that I've had for a while. On my car, there's 10 millimeter spacers. So I just put the 15 millimeter in there just to get a feel, and then I'll use this other set of spacers I have, just kind of lock it in place to get a feel, to see. And as you can see, with everything balanced and level, there's actually lots of room. Look at this. There's a lot of room for the caliper. And I know that the caliper is not going to be flush against the rotor, obviously. You know, there's going to be a little room. But even with me just sitting the caliper on here, now that everything is level, it moves all the way around. It doesn't touch or bind my wheels. So here's what I know. With a 15 millimeter spacer, I know for a fact it'll work. It's good. I'm hoping With my 10 millimeter spacers, I'll still be good. I'll find that out when I get everything mounted up. Worst case scenario, so what's scenario? Worst case scenario, if I have any kind of fitment issues, rubbing, stuff like that with my 10 millimeter spacers, then all I'll do is I'll put my 15 on that I know works, and I'll just have just a little bit of poke. That'll mean though that I won't be able to drop down on the coilovers like well, maybe if I put a little camber in, I might still be able to do it. I don't know. I'll figure that out. But bottom line is, it'll work. I know it'll work. I got clearance, so I'm good to go. So now everything's good. As soon as I get that other caliper in, everything goes out to powder coat. It's going to be a nice sweet color. I'm not going to tell y'all what it is. I'm going to keep that for myself. But we're going to be straight. All right. Catch y'all later, man. Peace.